personalized outreach.
Hello
The second
everybody,
one is
welcome to
lead
this video.
discovery and
Today we're
scrapping.
talking about how
Then
to
we have
set up
inbox
an
organization
automated
and
Twitter DAM
monthly
campaign
campaign
using
analysis.
Drippi.ai.
Now, if you're
Without
just
with this
talking
stand
about
out,
use
guys,
cases,
let's just
Drippi
jump
is
right
great
into
for sales
that's
teams
so
doing
basically how does
outbound
Drippi works. Drippi connect
prospecting
your Twitter
on Twitter.
account and also you
Agencies and
discover target
freelancers
leads
looking for
and
new
visit
businesses
creator
leads.
like occupations,
Anyone
industry,
waiting to
interest
automate
and
and
more. You
scale
can
Twitter
scrap thousands
outreach,
of
it can be used
relevant
to
leads.
promote a
And
new
second one,
product
you
launch
founded
or
leads
feature
3PAI
release.
send
Content
message
offers like
generator
ebooks,
basically
webinars, and
creates
etc.
personalized
Services to
outreach
potential
message
new
for each
clients,
one analyzes
brand awareness,
their Twitter
and
profile, recent
engagement.
tweet and website
Now, who
to
is
tailor
Drippy
message
for? Drippy is
that are more
designed
likely
for
to get a
sales and
response. You can
marketing
also set
teams,
up filter
agencies,
auto
and
reply
freelancers,
and quick response to
entrepreneurs, and
organize your
startups.
inbox. Drippy
Anyone doing
provide campaign
Twitter
analytics so you can
outreach
track
at
reply
scale.
rates and optimize
And
your
now, if we're talking
outreach.
about the
So
pricing and
basically what
plans,
the
it is
key benefits
basically
here: first of all,
76 a
automate
month,
personalized
and you
outreach.
can have one
Second
Twitter
one is
account,
lead
400
discovery and
messages a day,
scrapping. Then we have
and
unboxing
1,000 queries
organizations
per
and
month. So
list
basically,
campaign
that's
analytics. Now
how
if you
you
are
can
just
utilize
talking
Drippy
about use
to
case,
set up an
Drippy
automated Twitter DM campaign, and it
Drippi
is
is
really,
great for
really
sales
effective and
teams
helpful.
doing
So make sure
outbound
to check that
prospecting,
out,
Twitter agencies,
and I
and
hope to see you in
freelancer
the next
looking for
couple of
new
videos.
business
Until
leads
then, take care,
and waiting
goodbye.
automate and scale Twitter outreach. Uh, It can be used to promote new product launch or features release. Content offers like ebook, webinar, and etc. Service to potential new client, brand awareness and engagement. Now, who Drippy for Drippy is designed for
Hey guys,
sales
and
and
how's it
marketing
going
team
on? In this
agencies and
video, we are
freelancer
going to be talking
entrepreneur
about how
and
to
startup,
convert a
and you doing
WordPress
Twitter
website
outreach
into
at scale. And
static
now if you are talking
HTML.
about the
So,
pricing,
without a
and plan
further
is
ado,
basically
let's just
76
hop on to our
pack
tutorial.
per month,
So,
and you can Twitter
basically,
account
what is
for
a
1,000
static
messages a day
WordPress
and
site? Basically, to understand what a static
sorry,
WordPress
one
site
400
is, we'll
message
have a look
a
on to
day
how
and
static
1,000
websites and
credits per
dynamic
month.
websites
So
work
basically that you
separately.
can
First,
utilize
let's
your
look at how static
Drippy
websites
to
work. So
set up your
basically, the
automated
content on
Twitter,
static
guys,
websites,
and
sometimes
it's
called
really
headless
effective and
websites,
helpful.
does
So
not
make
change
sure,
over
guys, check
time unless you
that
manually
out, and
update
I
them.
hope see you
Users
next couple
who
video,
visit
guys. Thanks
static
for
websites
watching this
see the
video.
same
See you
content
another video
regardless
soon.
of
Don't skip,
who
like,
they
share
are,
this video our
where they're
friends.
from,
See you another
and
video, guys.
browser
Thanks
and
again
what
for watching
browser
this
they are
video.
using. So